Hello, it's Dr. Rhonda Johnson. Today's Monday, September 11th, 2023. You may have just heard the news, but the FDA has approved the updated COVID-19 vaccine. Now, they approved it for use in adults and children ages 6 months and up. They approved the messenger RNA vaccines manufactured by Pfizer and Moderna. The Novavax updated vaccine has not yet been approved. Now, these new messenger RNA vaccines are monovalent, meaning they target one variant, and that is the XBB.1.5 Omicron subvariant. Now, keep in mind, XBB.1.5 represents only 3% of COVID cases now in the United States, but the vaccine is expected to provide coverage against the current XBB variants because they're all somehow, think of them as a family, they're related. Now, who are they approved for? They're approved for people 12 years and up, and then for kids 6 months to 11 years of age under the emergency use authorization. They can be used for the primary series or the booster vaccinations. Now, the CDC Immunization Advisory Committee meets tomorrow. They will give details around the schedule for children 6 months and older through 11, and for adults in terms of primary series, booster series, etc. So try to just wait and see if the CDC guidance will answer your questions. But you know that the vaccine has been approved by the FDA for 12 and up, and under emergency use authorization for children 6 months to under 12 years of age. Now, lastly, today is a remembrance of the victims of the September 11th tragedy 22 years ago. I know people who lost loved ones in that tragedy, and I know their lives will never be the same, and they are not forgotten, and I hope that you will find some comfort in knowing that people still do care. This day, like the assassination of President Kennedy and the assassination of Dr. Martin Luther King, will be forever etched in my memory. It's a day that I will never forget where I was and what I was doing at the time that I learned of this tragedy. So be well, folks. Take care and protect yourselves. There's a lot of COVID out there. And again, for those folks who are opposed to the COVID-19 vaccine, don't bother commenting. I know you will, but, this message isn't for you. It's the people who want the vaccines and who plan to get one and who have been eagerly awaiting these vaccines. Take care, folks.